you'll find 15 acres of RVs at Wyoming's best dealer, Sonny's RVs. Here's one now.
Hi, my name's Laura, and today we're going to be taking a look at four winds made by Thor, model number 26X. Let's go.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. Now, just like a brochure, this video is just a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. For every RV made, just like a home, there are many variations of features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications, so it's important to contact one of our team members today for actual details about this floor plan. Take note of the clever ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage. Of course, we can't show you everything in this short video. You really have to come in and see for yourself to fully appreciate all this RV has to offer.
Be sure to subscribe. You'll be the first to know when new videos are available here at Sonny's RVs of Casper. For one of the largest collections of new and used RVs in Wyoming, look no further than Sonny's RVs. Sales, service, parts, they're all here under one roof at Sonny's RVs.